gonna hit fucking legs today.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the first video.
We're hitting legs.
We're hitting
At
legs.
crunch.
At crunch.
Big
Like a
boys.
beast. Okay. So.
No,
Stay
you're gonna take
tuned.
you with you.
So. We're at crunch. What? We got hit legs.
Yes, sir.
And so it's gonna be kind of lit. Let's get it. So my boy is now doing hack squats, but he's doing hack squats. He's doing hack squats because he needs them big boy legs. I just realized I could do like the fisheye, and it takes everything.
The what?
It's taking away everything.
Let me see. No, it's called ultra wide. It's called wide angle. That's fact.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
You gotta record me, buddy.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, but I'm put 2 points.
Wow, it looks really good. No cap. Yes, sir. Just 2 plates.
That's one of those oxygen.
Those are for when you're doing cardio.
No, but it's good.
I don't think that's the oxygen mask, dog.
It has a restriction.
I don't think.
It's like 3.0 something.
I know. It's like 1 atmosphere, 2 atmosphere, right? Something like that. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent.
Baby.
How you feeling
Ooh, good.
so far?
Good. Only start.
That's such a good clip. Alright, here we go. 50 more pounds. Easy for Mr. Hulk over here.
Might struggle.
Nah. You're gonna make it look easy.
I'm making it look easy, but I'm gonna struggle a little bit.
You probably will.
I tried it 3 plates.
3 plates?
3 plates last time. And I could only do like 4 of them.
We need some different angles. Let's go, Emmy. Come on, all the way. How many?
Come on, last one.
Last one. Let's see it. All the way. Good shit. Lock it up.
Agreed to do 4. That's it. And if you can, it's safe, bro. It's safe. Come on, go a little bit more down, buddy. That's okay. Lesson learned. It's heavyweight. Yes. Yeah. Big tough. That's big tough. Push. How many you on? 6?
6, yeah.
That's good, bro. You said 4 and you did 6. Can you believe, monkey?
See my tan line.
Oh yeah. Mine's is going pretty high. Good shit.
Slide them up. Wait, do it again. Do this. Wait, now take it off. Wait, alright. Wait. Put it on. Alright. What'd you say?
So I'm already sweating?
Oh, yes, sir. That's how you know it's working. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. Push. 3. Let's hear something, bro. Let's hear it. Yeah. Push. What number was that? That's good. That's how you know it's working hard. Get up.
Hold on my legs.
Come on, dog.
Wee. Come on. A big body boost. Big body boost. Big body boost. Big body boost. That's funny. So now we're hitting calf, seated calf raises. Let me go like this. Seated calf raises. So we're doing that. We gotta get the big calves, big calves, big calves. It's cool because when I zoom in, it zooms into that and it takes the volume from that. Isn't that crazy? Oh, he's struggling.
Here you go. Strong boys up next.
Crackhead dog.
I mean, at least do it like nicely. Come on. Okay. Oh, they working, huh?
Let's play 5. We got another plate. What was that?
I said it's so tight.
It's so tight. They're tight as fuck. That's what he said. Apparently what he said. Is it really? I have copyright to this.
Here you go. 3 plates.
I'll put another plate on there after this.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
No pans. No pans.
How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, he's about to try it out. 3 plates. 3 plates. 3 plates. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
It's not hard. It just burns.
It burns. You gotta feel the burn, bro. Gotta get him in them calves, boy.
It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard, you said. Kind of hard. I might need to spot him. He said, if I'm not struggling, then it's not enough weight. But listen, bro. You're not trying to break your calves.
Listen, bro. I thought the point is to get big.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
A little weight?
That's a lot of weight, bro.
It's like a sandwich.
Hi. A weight sandwich. Come on.
A weighted sandwich.
A weighted sandwich.
It's not like
with
my
legs.
sandwiches where you have more meat than the buns.
Yikes. That's that. I don't even know what you call those.
It's called
Alright, let's see, Emmy. Let's see.
the briskets. Come on, bro.
Wow, no spot needed.
So right now we're doing hamstring deadlifts, like straight. We're doing like straight leg deadlift-ish for hamstrings. We started out. The monkey.
What?
The monkey. That's what MJ always says. It's funny. So he's gonna do proper form. Just extend them legs out. And we have to get the butt side, the buttocks. We're gonna stretch them hamstrings out all the way. Mediocre weight.
What?
Mediocre weight. I know, bro. Hello. That's my first set. Chill.
Excellent.
putting on 25s. Yo, the zoom is crazy. So he's getting chalk.
It's not chalk.
It's Coke. It's Coke in a bag. Boy, you can Coke in a bag. For the grip. Hamstring grip.
Here we go, last set. Out here struggling. I'm struggling. I don't know about him. He looks like he's doing okay.
Hands, bro.
Let's see.
Hands.
Oh boy.
Hands. Fuck.
Why you let that happen?
Oh.
Oh my God, he's lost it. He's lost it. Come on. How many? That's 3. Wow. Yes, sir. What's the next workout?
He wants to do box jumps.
I'm trying to do sleds and box. He doesn't like those
So
ones.
what I'm trying to do is inner outer thigh on the machine.
We'll do those
And then
next. Let's
leg
do that. We're
extensions.
gonna do sleds.
So we're now at outer thigh and inner thigh. And he's doing like a weirdo, but I'm gonna do 200 on each. You're standing up, bro. It's seated, bro.
Seated, okay, but what if you stand up?
Who knows? Who knows? Maybe that one guy does. Well, I'm gonna hit it real quick. 200 each. And we're gonna do 3 sets of like 15. Yeah. 3 sets of 15.
Alright, here we go. Fuck, bro, he's doing the max weight. I'm struggling. Bro, y'all should have seen when I did that. Alright. My turn.
Okay, now he's going. He hitting the 200. Hitting the 200 for the first time in his life. Lead his face. Lead his face. Lead his face. Lead his face. Look at his face. That's funny. Getting the thigh workout soon, buddy. Still waiting for him. Like after like 20 minutes, bro. He's still there, bro. Like, what? I'm waiting here for 20 minutes. Can you believe? Okay, finally, bro. He was struggling for like 10 minutes. It's crazy. I'm about to hit it. I'm about to hit 200 on this boy. 200. 200. He's still struggling. But I'm not gonna be looking. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You got it. Spread eagle that boy. Spread eagle. He's struggling.
I don't know if I like that off.
Okay, so I'm about to
Here we go.
hit this. He's gonna record me.
Wow. The cameraman right here. Let's go.
Hold up, about to see these tanks, these nukes.
Bro, they're not
cannons?
nukes. Yeah, look. What do we? There's nothing
Bro,
there.
wait till they flex, bro. Then they're nukes. 1, 2.
Where at? Oh yeah, we see a little bit. No cap, no cap.
Look at the weight, buddy. That's max out, buddy.
Buddy?
Bud.
Nice job, buddy.
That's the worst term.
Nice
Look,
job, buddy. My turn.
that's the worst term. Calling a dude bud or buddy, I'm not your dog. Okay? No argument. What you doing there, buddy?
It's like. Put it
It's
down.
demeaning. It's demeaning. You think you're up here, and then when you get buddy, you're like touching the floor.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Well, come on, bro. You gotta get the nukes. When you kick somebody, all you gotta hear is the eeeew, boom. Max?
No.
Oh no, no.
A few more.
Nah, bro. I already did 10.
Whoa.
I already did 10.
It's working, huh?
My nukes are done. They're out of the radium. The radiator.
Okay,
radiation. He has one more set to do. Full max. 10.
Yeah, 10.
No sleeping. No sleeping. No sleeping. No
Tell me I
sleeping.
can't do it real quick.
You can't do it. Pussy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, go all the way down, buddy. 9. Yeah. That's how you get someone pumped, bro. Say, hit it, buddy. Come on, buddy. Took a gym photo on my Snapchat. Link in the description. Or my Snapchat in the description. My IG is also going to be in the description. If you want to follow my boy, Ayub the Great, that's his Snapchat. Will be in the description. And right now we're doing box jumps. But if you want to follow him, I'll put his IG and his new YouTube, new era in there too, because he's gonna do entertainment videos. But you know, I'll put his Snapchat in the description as well. All right, this concludes this video. Catch me next time. I'll see y'all later. Get the gains, get the money. Hard work pays off. Hard work pays off, right? Hard work pays off. He's still jumping. He's still jumping. A monkey, bro. He feels dumb heavy. He's dumb heavy. So subscribe, leave a like, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.